To start off making the slime, you're going to need some glue. I'm just using some craft glue here. The most popular glue is the Elmer's glue, but this works just the same. Next, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm going to stir that in thoroughly. Now slowly I'm going to add the saline solution, and this is what's going to activate the slime with the baking soda. So continue to add the contact saline solution and stirring it thoroughly until you end up with a tacky slime. So here I have 3/4 of a cup of foam cut finely, and I'm going to pour that into my slime, and this is going to create the snow-like texture. So once it's all mixed together thoroughly, it's ready to play with your snow slime. Thanks for watching my slime DIY. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, and subscribe to my channel SamCan just down below, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye!